Hello guys, Times here, welcome to a new video, and today I have something really cool to show you. And it's no other than this. It's a wireless charger by IKEA, and the great thing about it is that it is only €5. Okay, so this Livboj charger, as I said, yeah, it's a wireless charger, it's only €5. However, in typical Apple fashion, actually, it doesn't include either the cable or the wall adapter. However, you can also buy a cable for €4 or for 2 for a shorter distance. And this is actually USB-C, so it's USB-C on the wireless charging pad end. And they sell USB-C to Lightning, USB-C to USB-A, and USB-C to USB-C cables, and USB-C to micro USB actually, they also sell. So you can buy anything you want, and you of course have wall adapters in your house. So yeah, I think I'm gonna open this. So the bad thing about this is that it will only charge your devices at 5 watts, which is rather slow actually. iPhones used to support up to 7.5 until the introduction of MagSafe with the iPhone 12. And some Android devices I think reach up to 20. So it's not gonna be the fastest, but again, for the price it's pretty good. You can put it in your nightstand, for example, if you charge your phone overnight, you don't need it to charge fast. So yeah, I just unboxed it, as you saw, and it actually feels pretty cheap. I mean, it is cheap. And very plasticky. It has this rubber cross here, I don't know if you can see it, but this indicates where you have to place your phone, because it's where the coil is. And at the bottom it also has some rubber for it to not slide, which is pretty cool. And then at the back, of course, we have the USB-C port and a small light that I can imagine that it will indicate that it's charging. Almost broke my set. Now unboxing the cable. Okay, this is pretty much useless. So yeah, now I will unbox the cable. Now I'm gonna need to go to get some scissors. Okay, I'm back with scissors. So we can cut this open and cut this open. So they also sell the cable in other colors, and yeah, this was the best one in my opinion. This is 1.5 meters, and as I said, it's €4, which is pretty good. They also sell a 40 centimeter for €2. And yeah, for those of you with damp units, it's like 5-ish feet, I believe. But yeah, this plugs right in. I wish there was a white cable, but the other one was like white and black, which was rather ugly. But yeah, so this now you need a power adapter, which I don't happen to have here, but you can connect it, and then you will charge your phone. But yeah, this is a pretty thick instruction manual actually. And yeah, so in my opinion, this is pretty good. Not only is it very cheap, but of course it will help bring wireless charging more widespread. And IKEA also sells other wireless charging accessories. They sell different types of pads, and they also sell, I think, desk lamps with wireless charging included. So this is pretty cool, and it will help wireless charging spread. Many of my friends who have iPhones or have wireless charging phones, they don't even know they have it. So I think this is pretty cool. You should definitely get it if you have any wireless charging device and you want to wireless charge it. And yeah, because wireless charging is so convenient. I love it so much. So yeah, this is gonna be the third one I get. This is gonna go in the living room, because I usually take naps there after I eat. And my iPhone battery is getting old now, so I need to charge my phone while that. It's rather inconvenient with the cable, but with this, it's gonna be great. But yeah, I don't want to make this video any longer. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment down below if you have any questions about this Livboj charger, or the cable actually, and I will do my best to answer. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.